AI stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is C3 AI stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience, and actually I've spent tens of thousands of dollars of my own hard-earned money, courses and mentors over 5 years. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And boom, this is where we are now. We are in a bearish range with C3 AI. I'm not saying this like a forever thing and it's doomed forever. I'm just saying that that's where we're now, right? Like, and if the price really likes to change stuff, it just must, for me, if I really like to be bullish, the price must break above $23.72. And if that doesn't quite happen and the price doesn't give me anything like that, then I'm not going to be buying. Right? And a lot of people are going to come out here and just overcomplicate it, but like, I have like two receipts in the Discord, and it's just a bearish bias for right now. You know, I'm not just going to assume stuff, but for me to be bullish, I must see breaks above 23. So stay tuned, and if you want to get free money making emails and insights, stock picks, and free salts, click the first link in the description. It's free.